Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of installing the Megastat add-in tool in Excel. Megastat is a statistical software add-in for Microsoft Excel that provides a range of basic and advanced statistical analysis tools. It is designed for business and educational purposes and provides features such as descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and more. In my earlier video, I provided a comprehensive guide on installing PStat step by step. If needed, you can refer to my earlier video. Alright, coming back. First of all, you will need to download the Megastat file from the link in the description. Once the download is complete, open Microsoft Excel. Now go to the File menu and then select Options. A window will pop up listing all the options available. From the list, select Add-ins. Then click on Manage drop-down at the bottom and select Excel Add-ins from the list and click on Go. With this, a new window will pop up where you can see a list of default add-ins and any other custom add-ins that are already installed. Now click on Browse button. This is the add-ins folder of Microsoft. We need to move the downloaded Megastat file from the downloads to the add-ins folder. Just go to the download section, locate and copy the Megastat file, click the back button and paste here in this folder. Now select Megastat add-in file and click OK and then again click on OK. Now the Megastat add-in should be listed in the add-ins window. If you are able to see the add-in, then your integration is complete and you can start using it right away. But in some scenario, add-in may not be visible straight away. To solve this, we will need to repeat the steps to add the Megastat add-in, but this time with a minor change. Go again to add-ins window. There is also a shortcut to open the add-in window, which is Alt plus T plus I. Now click on Browse and right click on Megastat file and select Properties. There at bottom, check the box next to Unblock. Click on Apply and then OK. Select Yes. And now again click on OK. Now you should finally be able to see the add-ins in menu. And if you expand it, Megastat option should be visible. With this, we have completed the installation of Megastat in our Excel. Now that Megastat is installed, you can perform hypothesis, regression and other tests with ease. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.